helped me learn a lot. And I think that's a very good thing about LKC, because a lot of the curriculum being hands-on, I think it's a very effective way of learning.
This is, in fact, a very unique profession because not so many professions that you would really be able to, in the future, to apply what you have learned from school directly on people and benefits.
原来哇，A1。
Queued up for the camp challenge, which is the most exciting part of day one.
What made you choose the specific?
Because I have a friend who should.
Through the camp, I actually got to experience what team-based learning is like. Coming together with people with different answers, trying to solve the same problem, hearing different reasonings for different answers. I think that is also a cornerstone of the teaching pedagogy here at LKC Medicine.
He even has a
Your biggest cheer to team Saturn!